Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited today to show you this hairstyle. It's all about channeling my inner goddess, and I was really excited to partner with KRS Hair Group to show you this protective style. So I went to the Girl Cave LA, which is a black-owned beauty supply salon and store all in one. They have 3 locations in Los Angeles. I went to the location on Melrose and I just fell in love with the store. It's super cute and they do nails, hair, eyebrows, everything. So this is Kelsey, she's my stylist, and I really like how she detangled my hair first using a co-wash before taking me over and shampooing my hair. So here I'm just showing you a little bit of that process. And then she went to blow dry my hair. Since we are doing a protective style, all my hair is going to be braided up, so she's just blow drying it out before. And I was really surprised to see how much length I've retained. So now she's just braiding up. She did do a zigzag diagonal pattern in the back so that all my hair is completely protected. And then for the braiding pattern in the front, I found it off of Pinterest, honestly. So these are the clip-ins. I got the Not So Nappy 18 and 20-inch clip-ins from KRS Hair Group. What I like about the clip-ins is that the texture blended almost perfectly with my natural hair, but the color is a little light for me. Okay, this is like a dark brown. My hair is a jet black. But other than that, I think the clip-ins blended almost perfectly. So she's putting the clip-in upside down on the bottom to cover up the braid that's going around. And this just helps so if I decide to wear it up or in a ponytail, my track won't be exposed. And now she's just going in and clipping the clip-ins in between the braids. And when you clip the clip-ins in between the braids, it helps my hair lay flatter and doesn't make like a bump or any indentation. And the texture at the root of the clip-ins just really helps my hair blend even more. And now Kelsey's just brushing it to try to blend the two textures together. And this is just kind of how it looks blow dried, not completely blended, so we will go ahead and straighten my hair. We did it at Taste of Soul, so there's Kyra from Kyra Shea Medleys. Taste of Soul is a community event in off of Crenshaw in Inglewood. So this is where I got my hair done at the Taste of Soul event. So we're gonna finish up this hairstyle. And now she's just reinforcing the rubber bands just to make sure that my hair doesn't pop. And then she's taking out each section and straightening it. And here you can see the hair has blended almost seamlessly with the KRS clip-ins. Again, I got the Not So Nappy texture in 18 and 20 inches, and my hair is just completely blended with it. But since I don't particularly care for straight hair, we are gonna add some wand curls. And here she's just wrapping each piece of hair around the wand and creating this really nice soft curl. And I'm just showing you guys the top again. I really love this pattern. And finishing up the final look. I love how bouncy the hair was and how my curls just came together. And this is what the curls look like after she finished. They're a little too perfect, but they are absolutely beautiful. And now I'm just going to flip my hair over and give it some volume, some body, and just shake it out and give it some texture. So this is how the curls look like once I shook them out. They were absolutely beautiful. And I loved how my hair just blended with them. You couldn't tell where my hair began and where the clip-ins ended. I absolutely loved it. So if you guys want to check out the clip-ins from KRS, you can go to their website, which is in the link below. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and please like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!